Thinkinspire IT. Today we have total 4 DevOps openings. Let's see one by one. Before that, please do like, share and subscribe our channel for latest job updates and click bell icon for instant notifications. First hiring is from Splore. Splore is hiring software engineer, Java and Python developer with 1 year of experience. What is the role? The position of the desired candidates in Python and Java engineer who should be fluent in Python and Java application development focusing on large concurrent products. The candidate should have 2 to 3 years of experience with Java and Python programming languages. Springboard framework, Hibernate, MySQL as a database, AWS as a cloud solution, and scalable architecture. The knowledge of Agile and Scrum approach, problem solving skills, collaboration, and willingness to learn an imperative. Here you have a perfect chance to use Python and Java knowledge in practical and contribute to projects that truly matters. Responsibilities. In this role, you will mobilize other engineers to build and launch microservices that are elastic and built in Java and Python. Work with the other engineers to engineer, build, and maintain efficient, reusable, and fault tolerant systems. On this level, create software modules, database schemes, and test optimized for high concurrency. Printer drivers, bug finding and repairing, and resolving of other technical problems involved with the software. In the following heads, ensure that the development application run as fast as possible, have the highest quality, and are as responsive as possible. Rename to increase code standards to increase reusability, reliability, extendability, and security. Solve problems, current errors, and improve the current systems. Make sure the code that you are writing is clean, easily understandable, and efficient. Solicit for cross functional teams so that it can be easily captured the requirements and recommended solutions. Stay in touch with the modern technologies and efficient methodologies for developing software. Attributes. We are looking for the candidates who are efficient in Python and Java engineer with the following attributes. Dealing with the ambiguity. You are excel in changeability when you are in a quite capable of making good decisions for the business depending on the changing scenarios and are not on the uncomfortable with the idea of uncertainty. Collaborative mindset. Cohesion is a major emphasis over here, and everyone feels like he or she is a part of the team. You will closely collaborate with others to establish how new features will be developed and then released to the users. Thankfully, there will be a little to no production design changes to the concepts on the particular project, but this tight integration with our product design and engineering department will be important. Frequent learning, looking for someone who enjoys, embrace, and in use to learn in the startup environment as opposed to the large organization. You are comfortable in starting up to develop new methods when you are comfort in the new problems and taking the plunge and experimenting. It is also show that you are in the tune with the current Python and Java trends and engage with the new technologies. Functional and technical skills required. Proficient acquaintance with the software development, especially in Java or Python, and knowledge of OOPS, DS, and logs. In particular, he or she should have the acquaintance knowledge of the Java frameworks like Springboard. Strong experience in relational database management system like MySQL or PostgreSQL. Expertise in formulating data and backend solutions in a production phase. Knowledge of cloud services like Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform, and Microsoft Azure would be a beneficial. Knowing what type of architecture is scalable and what loading balances includes. Understanding of software development process such as Agile or Scrum. Location Bangalore. Interested candidates can apply from link in description. Second hiring is from Second hiring is from NatWest Group. NatWest Group is hiring software engineer and DevOps engineer with 1 year of experience. About the job. Together, let's progress to the future with the NatWest Digital X.
In this and all things which we do, we strive for one purpose. A beautifully simple and secure digital experience is the aim. So we organize ourselves around the three principles: speciality, shield, and manage. We design for easy solutions and more to the point. We safeguard our customers and work more intelligently. For that reason, our people related and functional differently based on what they do and their requirements. We have many customers that make our people get along well, ranging from working from home or flexible working hours. In this role is based in India and thus all normal working days have to be done in India only. Job description. Come work with us as we employed you as a software engineer. This is a great chance to create systems that will be effectively reliable and long lived to cooperate to the modern non-functional necessities. You will be involved in creating and development the application solutions, coding and experimenting as well as in the implementation of high-level working code and consequent maintenance and guarantee of the system life cycle. Here, you will be provided value to your team in the aspect of developing and maintaining working software safety and quickly as well as perfecting your trade skills in the significant function. This role is being offered to the vice president level. What you will do? Through your work as a software engineer, you will be gained an understanding of certain components of the related platform in relation to the disciplines of the business applications as well as data and infrastructure. We will expect you to develop good relationship with the principal engineers, architects in the domain and many other to explain in detail how the platform functions and how it can be bring benefits to the business. You will also be a worldwide business measurement and optimization of performance based on the calculation and analyzing indicators. Implementing of agile methods in the creation of software. Engineering software is to produce of designing and developing software to improve the automation of build, test and deployment using executable patterns. Providing a communicative architecture design and construction is a strategy shape design. The skills you will be needed. The family IT specialist position required minimum of 12 years of experience in software engineering as well as coding experience in DevOps technology. Those ideal candidates are expected to have practical experience in applying best practices for programming and then execute to have a practical experience, have to be knowledge and practical experience in scalability, automation and visualization, optimization, availability and performance to be considered for this job. They are expected to be able to solve very complex analytical and numerical problems. This makes you a very competent communicator professional, able to be explained to the peers and the other technical personnels. Other individuals at the management level possessing a good interpersonal and the people skills. Additionally, you will demonstrate the more specific ones is to have experience working with the CI/CD pipelines on AWS using Terraform, familiarity with Kubernetes and preferably using Docker and Elastic Kubernetes services, proficiency in DevOps and Agile paradigms of work as well as the related tools and approaches. Experience as a developer working with the test driven development and such tools as automated test framework, mocking, subting, and unit testing. Design and implement experience of APIs. Understanding of relational, in memory, distributed, and no SQL databases. Location Chennai and hybrid full time mid senior level. Interested candidates can apply from link in description. Hiring is from Observe.AI. Observe.AI is hiring DevOps engineer with 1 year of experience. The opportunity. Given our business as AI ML firm, we maintain a sound infrastructure, although computational and data oriented. This application of using multi AWS accounts, various forms of environment, and multiple Kubernetes deployments required not just an extensive and complex process of CI/CD but also post CI/CD automation. Problems of scalability, dependability, security, and cost control are not solved, and they remain as even present as before. If the idea of solving these issues in a setting that is constantly changing inspires you to this position is perfect for you. Responsibilities of the DevOps engineer. Contribution towards defining the best practices of monitoring and alerting during production and has the capability of owing the same. Provide support and help in the creation and management of different surroundings like production, testing, etc. Codify, standardize, and innovative to use of effort skills, code, and process. Be able to support the product's sustainability and work in the other technical groups in providing recommendation on the same. Support in the global best practice of security, particularly on P cloud and audit or compiling necessity of the organization. Organizational integration of existing systems using the most suitable Kubernetes or Docker or Terraform script for the automation of the integration process and enhancement of efficiency. CI/CD pipelines should be diverse for different services. Schedule and oversee the insurance of the same. Who you are? SRE or DevOps engineer with at least 2 years of IT experience, holder of a bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology or related field. Scripting and programming specific competency, Python, Shell or Go. Able to solve problems effectively and get hands on with the programming languages or scripting operation of infra automation. Installation, configuration, and administrated experience with Jenkins or cloud deployment technologies such as Code Deploy, AWS, or GitLab. Knowledge of processes, methodologies, technologies, and typical life cycle of enterprise solution development and IT infrastructure and is capable of adapting this knowledge and applying it within the frame of agile or similar process approach. Practical experience with the infrastructure as code using Terraform, CloudFormation, or any other tools. Knowledge about the microservices and distributed applications if you used any of the orchestration and containerization, Kubernetes, or serverless technologies. Awareness of concepts and tools related to the networks. Awareness of various infrastructure components like DB, PubSub, services, or cache. Able to identify trends and new technologies that can be implemented to enhance the best practices of information security and data protection. Compensation, benefits, and perks. Health and medical insurance is a great and free online doctor consultation are available. Annual privilege and sick leaves as per the Karnataka Act. Promising approaching regarding national and festival holidays as well as the parental matters. A learning and development funds with the recreation activities for co-creation of culture across the film. Location Bangalore. Interested candidates can apply from link in description. Fourth and last hiring is from Clonetab. Clonetab is hiring Linux system administrator with 0 to 1 years of experience. Location Vijayawada. Job description and responsibilities. ZFS file system management. Knowledgeable with the ZFS file system and their performance trails and has the skills on configuring the file system as well as checking the health and performance of the file system in the ZFS. Linux package updates. In charge of Linux package updates, security patches, and updates regularly needed to maintain stability and security. Networking basics. Good knowledge of networks such as TCP/IP, domain name system that is DNS, dynamic host configuration protocol DHCP, and firewalls. VMware administration. Practical experience in handling VMware, virtual machine creation, optimization, and managing problems. Cloud technologies. Familiarity with at least one of the cloud providers, which includes AWS or Azure, recognized skills in deployment and managing VM, storage, and the network. OS and storage performance tuning. Working experience in working on operating systems and storage, including ability and capability in fine tuning and configuration. Key skills required: Linux, VMware administration, Azure, ZFS file system management, configuration, DNS, troubleshooting, TCP/IP, AWS, DHCP. Role: System Administrator or Engineer. Industry type: Information Technology, Services and Consulting. Department: Engineering, Hardware and Network. Employment type: Full time and permanent. Role category: IT Network. Education: Undergraduate in BTech or BE in any specialization. PG: Any postgraduate. Doctorate: Doctorate not required. Interested candidates can apply from link in description.
That's it for today, guys. For latest DevOps job updates, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. And please do follow and join our Telegram channel from link in description. Until then, see you.